Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is RISMAYA with students number 232100002 from class A. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the measure of variability, including mean, median, mode, quartiles, interquartiles, range, variance, and standard deviations. So without any further ado, let's find it. So first thing first you have to do is that insert your raw data. So I had insert the raw data here. In total, I have 75 data, but the data here is still in the random order. So we are going to sort all of the data from the smallest to the largest, and then you have to block all the data. You go to sort and filter and then click sort smallest to largest, and then you got the order of the smallest to largest data. And now you have to delete duplicates. And the way to do it is that you copy all the data here because the duplicates data, the data with the duplicates also will be used to in Excel formulas. And copy here. Now, after you have this, you go to data sections and then click this icon, remove duplicates, and then don't forget to switch to continue with the current selections so that you only delete the duplicates from the column C. Okay, and after that, you copy all of the data that after delete the duplicates here. And then don't forget to click all the borders so we have all the borders on the tables. So now we are going to find the frequency because find frequency one by one is a tiring and takes too much times. So we are using count if formulas and then select all the data with the duplicates. You can use comma, it depends on your devices. And then click this score, enter. And then you don't have to drag down, you don't have to add another formulas because you can only drag down this until these 17 numbers. So you have all the frequency for the scores. Now, we wanted to find score times frequency. It's easy. You click the score here and then times with stars upper the 8 symbol on the keyboard and then click the frequency and do not type manually because you have to insert the formulas one by one again and enter. Now, if we clicked the score and the frequency like I did before, we can easily drag down again without insert the formulas again. And now we have to find the score minus mean, which is we haven't have the mean yet. So how to find it? We have to sum all of the total of the frequency using sum formula. And then you block all the data on the frequency column. And enter. And now you can drag side to make the score times frequency total. Mean the total of score times frequency divided by the total of frequency. And now we can find score minus mean. But don't forget to insert the dollars here because we don't want the system error from the Excel or make our result randomly becomes weird and incorrect. So we have to put dollars, mean, and dollars. Now enter so that you can drag down easily again and find another column, which means x minus mean square. We just click this, score, and then you type this icon, the upper on the 6 symbol on the keyboard, and then add 2. And then you have this total. You can break down again. All right, and now we are going to find frequency times x minus mean square. Now we have the frequency here times x minus mean square. Enter, and then we can easily drag down again. And now we don't have to insert the formulas again. We just drag side from the sum here until here. Now we can calculate the median, mode, quartiles, and etc. after we complete the tables here. Now for median, we are going to use the frequency, the total of frequency, plus 1 divided by 2. And this is not the value of median, but this is the order of the median. So how to find the median? It's easy. Just look at the frequency, count until it is 38. After you found these from the 1 until 8 frequency, we add it all, and if the total is 38, which means suitable for the median that we found before, and the value is that 76. So the median is 76. Now for mode, it's easy to find the highest frequency on the tables, which is 78. So we type 78 here. And now for quartiles, the formulas is 1, 2, and 1, 4. For quartiles 1, 4 times the total of the data is 75 plus 1. Enter. And this is not the value like the median, but this is the order how to find the value of the quartiles. So we are going to finish all the quartiles, and after that we are going to find the values. And now for the quartile 2, the formulas is 1, 2, 75 plus 1 is 76. And don't forget to add the stars here. Enter. And then for quartile 3, the formulas are 3/4 times 76. Enter. And now we are going to find the values of 19 to find quartiles 1. Okay, now until here it's 18, and then it's 24. So 18 here, but we need 19. So 19 assume in this 24, which is 70 value. The quartile is 70. Now the quartile 2, 38. If you notice that quartile 2 is the same with the median, so actually the value is the same with the median, so we don't have to calculate again on the table, but to make sure that we can calculate it as well. So K2 or quartile 2 is 76. And now quartile 3, 57, 61, 55, but we need 57. So 57 is in here. 82. So how to find the interquartiles? Interquartiles is just the quartile 3 minus quartile 1. Enter. And now the range. Range is the highest score minus the smallest score. So the highest score is 100 minus 48. Enter. Now for variance, the formulas are this, the total of f times x minus mean square divided by The totals of the data is 75 minus 1. Enter. Now, to find the standard deviation, use SQRT because standard deviation is the square root of the variance. And enter, click the variance. And that's all. We find the measure of variables from mean to standard deviation using Excel formulas manually. And now how we can draw the polygon from the data that we already calculated. So you block all the scores and frequencies column. Go to Insert, and then click the recommended chart, and then click OK. And this is the polygon of the data that we count. And now we are going to compare with the Excel formulas. Now, what I said before is that it is useful to keep the duplicate status in the first place here to compare if our answer are the same with the Excel formulas. Now, start from the mean. The formulas is average. Now, click the data and enter. Okay, that's the same. Now for median. For Excel formulas are simpler than manually, but we still have to learn how we got the formula, how we got mode, or how we got median like this. So now we are going to compare. Now for mode, and then you click all the data again and enter. And for quartiles 1, you can use quartiles.exe formulas. Click all the data. You can use comma because we want to find quartiles 1, so we type 1 and then enter. And now we will find quartiles 2 the same way. Click the data and then type 2 because we want to find quartiles 2 and enter. And now for quartile 3 with the same formula, click the data, but now type 3, enter. Okay, now for interquartile, it's basically just quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So it's basically the same without any special Excel formulas. Now, I have the Excel formulas for range. So the formulas for define range is at max, and click all the data minus min. Click all the data and enter. And for variance in Excel formulas, we type var, click the data and enter. And then for standard deviation, before we use SQRT because that is square root of variance, but in Excel formulas, we use STDEV formulas because we use the duplicate status order here. And now enter. And all of the answer, both manually and Excel formulas, are the same. And we've already made the polygon. And then we finished to find mean, median, mode, quartiles, interquartiles, range, variance, and standard deviations. I hope that you understand our lesson today. And thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.